Click Smart Plus. How to pair the plug-in Wi-Fi smart socket. Open up the Click Smart Plus app. On the home screen, tap the Add Device button, or if you've paired devices before, press the plus button in the top right-hand corner. Next, tap Plug-in Wi-Fi Smart Socket. Follow the on-screen instructions on how to reset the device. Once the blue indicator is flashing, press to confirm and then tap Next. If your plug-in socket is already in pairing mode, the device will pop up automatically. Then tap Go to Add. Press the plus button next to the socket. Select the network you wish your Wi-Fi socket to be connected to and enter the Wi-Fi password. The app will now add the Wi-Fi socket to your account. This may take a few minutes. The smart Wi-Fi socket has now been successfully added. Tap Done. You can now press on the Wi-Fi socket and use it to control multiple applications when plugged in. Your Wi-Fi socket can be renamed for ease of use. Press on the pencil icon in the top right-hand corner. Next to the socket's name, tap on the icon once more. You can now rename the socket to your preference. All Click Smart Plus products are compatible with Alexa and Hey Google. Click Smart Plus, making your home smarter.